guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are playing Welcome to Bloxburg Beta. Or it's not called Welcome to Bloxburg Beta anymore. It's now called it's actually just called Welcome to Bloxburg. Guys, you know what? I have not finished the Groovy Smoothie. These are my iCarly apartments. This is the only apartment that leads somewhere, and this just doesn't lead to anything. In Minecraft, it actually does, though. Blah, I don't want to change the picture. Oh, it shows pictures I've already used before. These used to lead somewhere, but the stairs don't lead anywhere anymore. My Minecraft ones do, though. I know in other videos that you'll see me. Whoop, right in. What was that? Yeah, so anyways, this is just my house, and we're just gonna be playing a little bit of Bloxburg. Look at this house. It's like so nice. I don't even know what this is, but I do not want it. Anyways. Oh, did it just randomly turn right? Like, yeah, this isn't gonna be too long of a video. This is just my garage where I put cars and stuff, and it just leads straight to Freddy's apartment. That is just a very small room, as you can tell. Yes, there's some updated parts in my house. Oh shoot! I forgot to update this door. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys, I actually updated the door. Because you guys saw that I was really struggling to do it. So yeah, we're just messing around on this stuff and kinda. Yeah, since the computer is not in my own room, I'm filming in my parents' room. And the last room, I should probably not be in here. This is a stranger's house. I probably shouldn't be here. Why did I even decide to go there? That was kind of a stupid idea, because it's not my property, so. Oh yeah, there is windows. But I don't get why you couldn't see the windows from my house, from my point of view, like my house over here. Oh yeah, you can still see them. Wait, why can't you? Like if I go near this house, will my windows disappear? Yeah, they do. For some odd reason, everything disappears when I am. Yeah. So, yeah, I am. Oh, I'm stinky. Hold on. Okay, guys, I turned back on my webcam. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry I haven't been posting anything on Roblox in a while. Just Roblox used to be just so glitchy. As you guys knew, it just used to be like so glitchy. The heck, why did this person just go behind my house? Literally, like, why do I look so weird? You guys see that? Why do I look so weird? This is my friend's room. We don't go in there. I'm not going in there because, you know, I don't go in this is Val's room. I do not go in here because he's not in the game. I don't go in here when he's not in the game. I don't go in there when he's not in the game. So, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. That's kind of inappropriate. This leads upstairs. I had to get a quick nap. We're not going to go upstairs yet. We're not going to go upstairs at all on this video, sadly. So, guys, I think I'm going to end it off here. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye! Look at this. You could take a little quick peek on my screen on the camera. Bye. Bye, guys.